Hey guys, I was sent this product to review, and this is a 67 watt 3-prong wall charger. So this has a max output of 67 watts and it's a very compact design. So here we go. So nice little handsome design, doesn't take up too much room. Right here you flip out your outlet plug, and over here you have your clearly marked ports. These are 67 watt type C ports and an 18 watt USB port. So type C ports are usually for Android devices and all other types of electronic hardware, and your USB port is pretty much universal, and you could plug in all types of devices and have tons of power with that 67 watts in this compact design from Yoocas. Just flip that away, you're ready to go in your pocket, in your travel bag, wherever you're at. So this is the Yoocas 67 watt power charger, max power.